In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down box in Microsoft Word. If you are creating a form or template in Microsoft Word and want users to choose from a list of predefined options, you can use the drop-down list content control. This makes your document easier to fill out and keeps the available choices organized. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add the drop-down box. To use a drop-down box, you need to access the Developer tab. If you don't see the Developer tab on the ribbon, go to the File tab and select Options. In the Word Options window, select Customize Ribbon. On the right side, find the Developer option and check the box next to it. Then click OK. The Developer tab will now appear on the Word ribbon. Click the Developer tab to access the available tools. In the Controls section, look for the drop-down List Content Control option. Click it to insert a drop-down box into your document. Once the drop-down control has been inserted, click on it to select the control. Next, go back to the Developer tab and click Properties. This will open the Content Control Properties window. Here, you can give the drop-down list a title if needed. More importantly, you can add the choices that users will be able to select. Look for the section where you can add drop-down list items. Click Add to create the first option. Enter the text you want to appear in the list, then confirm the option. Continue adding the other choices you want users to select from. For example, if you are creating a form, your choices could include yes and no. You can add as many predefined options as needed for your document. Once all of the choices have been added, click OK to save the settings. Now, click the drop-down box in your document. You should see the available options in the list. Select one of the choices to fill in the field. The drop-down box is useful because users don't have to type their answers manually. They can simply choose from the options you have already provided. You can use this feature for forms, questionnaires, applications, templates, and other documents where you want users to select from a specific set of answers. After creating the drop-down box, you can continue editing the rest of your document as needed. And that's how you can create a drop-down box in Microsoft Word using the Developer tab and the drop-down list content control. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,